and welcome to everyone to my new video today. Today I'm going to do a card trick and my card trick I will perform it with the Blizzard Somnium card deck, yeah. I made the unboxing video to this and you can watch the unboxing video right now in the info card. Just click on it and you see my unboxing video to it. Before I'm starting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would support me really much. Thank you for everyone who is doing that, and I would say now let's go with the performance. So let's go. My card trick today is here with the ice deck, with the Blizzard card deck, by the way. And I have already here one card which will help me today in my card trick, but at the very end, so we don't really pay attention to this first, okay? So first we just go make sure that the card deck is mixed, shuffled. If I had a spectator, the spectator can obviously shuffle the cards too, okay? And here I can show you the cards are completely through, yeah? So, and what we are going to do is that normally I would do this card trick with two spectators. It's also possible with one. It's obviously not possible with no spectator, but I have here only you as the audience, as my spectator, so we will do it, we will make it. So normally the first spectator would choose one card, okay? He would do that with just saying stop somewhere. He could say it wherever he wants, like here. He could say here stop or something further, like here. And so he says stop and any card he wants to, yeah? For example, this one. So this would make spectator number 1, and then we can obviously mix the cards again a little bit, and then the second spectator has to choose a card too, okay? So he can choose any card. He can say here stop or here wherever he wants, and he chooses the other card, okay? So my two spectators are, like I said, choosing two cards whichever they want, right? And here the cards are completely different cards, as you can see, right? Alright, and we are also done with these cards, we don't need them anymore. So, but what we have here, yeah, are two cards from the spectator and my special card in the middle, okay? So let's first look on my special card, what I got here, okay? It will help me, yeah? And my special card is a queen, but not a normal queen. This queen has here two frozen cards in her hands, yeah? But that's not the only thing. Second, let's see what cards the spectators chose, yeah? It could be two different, it could be the same, but the fact is both got two twos. And now we got here the queen, okay? And if we heat it a bit up, yeah? Both spectators could do that. Both spectators could place their thumbs, for example, on the card like that, yeah? To heat the card a little bit up. To heat it a little bit up. They can do like that on the card, okay? And what's happening is following thing. It will defroze and we will see what cards are there. And here the two of hearts. The two of hearts and the two of clubs, like the cards the spectator chose. And that was my performance of this card trick. I hope every one of you enjoyed it. If so, I would be very thankful if you could share this video with whoever you want. If you enjoy card trick performances like I just did, then you can check out my playlist on my channel with all my card trick performances. I think I have like 60 card trick performances already on this channel. So check it out now in the info card and you just come to the playlist and can click you through. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I see you next time, next Sunday with a gimmick review. And bye bye, yours Magic Nico, and ciao.